Friendship literally saved us from the biggest blizzard Everfrost Valley had ever seen. I'm Nui Wero, just a penguin, right? Wrong! I was lost, freezing, totally alone. Then I bumped into Splashy, a seal shivering harder than me. We huddled, sharing my last fish cracker. Not much magic there, huh? Then Aurora, the Arctic fox, showed up, all snappy and cold. She knew the way out but wouldn't help. Or so we thought. We convinced her sharing warmth was better than freezing alone. Slowly, working together, sharing small kindnesses, we navigated the storm. The twist. Aurora wasn't mean. She was scared, searching for her lost kit. Helping us led her right to him. The real magic wasn't some spell. It was us choosing kindness, choosing cooperation. That connection, stronger than any blizzard. It literally thawed the ice around our hearts and got us all home safe. Friendship is wild like that.